Hello, kids! It's Flora the Flamingo. Yes, the pink, fabulous bird standing on one leg, looking all cool and graceful. Are you ready to hear some flamingo secrets? Great! Let's dive into the pink-tastic world of flamingos. First things first, why am I pink, you ask? Do I blush a lot? Nope! My feathers get their fabulous pink color from the food I eat. That's right! I love munching on shrimp, algae, and other tiny creatures filled with a special pigment called carotenoids. Think of it as my natural flamingo makeup. The more I eat, the pinker I get. So, kids, I guess you can say I'm made of shrimp fancy, right? But wait, there's more. You know how humans walk on two legs? Well, I can balance on one leg for hours. It's not because I'm lazy or trying to show off my yoga skills. Standing on one leg actually helps me stay warm. My feathers are like a cozy blanket, and tucking one leg in keeps the cold away. Smart, right? Speaking of squawking, we flamingos have a unique way of recognizing each other. It's all in our voices. Every flamingo has its own special sound, like a fingerprint. So if I'm in a crowd of thousands, I can still find my BFF just by listening. Pretty cool, right? Who needs name tags when you've got a one-of-a-kind voice? Now, let's talk about flying. Yes, kids, flamingos can fly. I know I look like I'm built for dancing rather than flying, but when I spread my wings, it's a whole different story. My wingspan is so big that I look like a pink airplane zooming through the sky. And did you know we flamingos are born gray or white? Yup, baby flamingos are like little puffballs with stubby legs. We only turn pink after munching on those carotenoid-packed snacks for a while. So, if you ever see a gray flamingo, don't worry. It's just a baby in disguise. That's all from me. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Bye-bye, my friends.